Hello everyone and welcome to this HyperWorks tutorial. Today we will repair and defeature geometry. To begin, we go into File, Open, HyperMesh Model, and find the file associated with this exercise. Open the part browser and isolate and make current IC1 topology repair. Set topology visualization from the view controls as follows. Next, inspect the part to find areas that need to be fixed. Rotate the model and patch the fillet. Click and drag with Extend to close the gap. Bridge gaps by selecting two surfaces and extending with cross-extend. Adjust maximum distance to 2. Go to the Split Plane tool and select the 8 surfaces here. Then toggle to the Plane tool and create a plane parallel to the surface by pressing left-click plus Shift over the surface. Once the surface is selected, press Split. Select the hanging surfaces and delete them. Box select the surfaces shown and stitch the interior gaps. Next, patch the exterior free edges. Open the Surface Repair tool and investigate for issues in the geometry. Stitch the gaps by clicking Fix once to close the small gaps. Use the patch hole from the micro dialog to patch the fillets, and repeat on both sides. Fix other geometry issues however you see fit. Remove slivers. Generate the closed shell as the last step of the surface repair workflow. Now you can show all parts and save the file. Go to File, Save As, HyperMesh Model, and save with the following name. Isolate and make current IC3 the feature. Set topology visualization from the View Controls toolbar. Use the Batch tool and open Parameter Editor. Uncheck 2D hole recognition from the Holes 2D menu. Holes can be automatically handled here, but we will operate manually. Uncheck Flange recognition, remove edge fillets, and surface fillet recognition. Press Apply and OK. Use the Fillets tool. Uncheck Use Parasolid and remove large fillet by double-clicking it. Remove all remaining fillets using Find and Remove All. Select a hole, find similar holes, and remove them. Remove cuts. Use Locations options from the drop-down menu and left-click to select two locations on surface edges to remove cuts. Show all parts. Now we can save the model, going to File, Save As, HyperMesh Model, and saving with the following name.